Hey everybody, this video is going to be a little bit different this week. What I'm going to be doing is just talking about my new membership and requesting anyone who would like to be a beta reader for that program. Let me dive in and tell you a little bit about the membership. It is a monthly membership and it's called Write the Damn Fiction Book. And basically it's for two types of writers. It's for fiction writers who maybe keeps starting their books, but they're just not able to finish them. And it's also for newbie writers or perhaps just aren't sure about how to go about writing their first draft of their book. There are actually 4 steps within the membership. And the first one is vision and clarity, and this is where you're going to identify your goals, your vision, your why, as well as your transformation to being the author that you need to be in order to write and edit your book. So the second step within the program is readers and books. And what this is going to cover is the books that you're going to write, as well as the readers that you are going to want to attract. Basically, your ideal readers for the book. And the third step in the program is actually write and edit. And this is going to be your plan to actually write and edit your book. And I cover not only how to outline your book, but just everything that is going to go into writing and editing your book. And the fourth and final part of, or I should say step in the membership is going to be your readers and fans. And what that is creating a very basic author platform to attract and nurture your readers. So if this sounds like something you would like to be involved in and be a beta reader of, let me tell you a little bit about your role as a beta reader. Basically, you're going to work through the first step in the program and give your feedback on the layout of the modules, the resources, how user-friendly it was, the platform, and just your feedback on all of those things, because I really want to make sure that the membership is the best that it can be and it gets the writers the results that they're looking for, which is basically to write and edit their book and provide them with all the necessary resources in order to do that. So that's really important to me and why I really want to make sure that I'm beta testing the program first. And the best beta testers to get are the ones who are actually going to be inside the program, and that is you, fiction writers. And as a thank you for being a beta tester, I'm going to offer you 2 free choices. The first is 3 months free membership inside the program once it's launched. And the second is a free consult call with me, whichever one is the best fit for you. So I'm going to leave a link for you to sign up for that if you are interested in being a beta tester, or you can just put in the comments, yes, please, and I will reach out to you directly. If beta testing isn't for you, but you are interested in finding out more about the membership, I want to encourage you to subscribe to the channel so that you can keep up to date with how the launch is going so that you are able to sign up for yourself once it actually opens. Thank you guys so much and have a fabulous weekend. Bye.